The Orientalist. Before that, you need to know the meaning of Orientalist and Orientalism. So, this Orientalist is someone from West who studies the language, culture, history or customs of countries in East Asia. Whereas Orientalism is knowledge or customs specific to Asian culture, people or language. Or you can be called as Orientalist as a scholarly study of Asian culture and language, especially by the Westerners. So let's go into the detail. Orientalism simply means the scholarly study of Asian culture and languages, especially by the Westerners. So the Orientalism began in 16th century. It is an interest shown by the European scholar in studying the culture, literature, art of India, Sri Lanka and other East Asian countries and South Asian countries, or in the conventional sense meant an enthusiasm for the Eastern culture. In other terms, Orientalism also can be defined as scholarly interest to know Asian culture, languages and people. It is a study of custom, mannerism and characteristics of Asian civilization. The modern era in Indian history begins with the advent of Europeans, but the direct administration of British began after 1757 AD. It was a necessity for them to study the lifestyles of Indians and economic, social, religious and linguistic diversities of India. On the other hand, they had to send report to authorities of East India Company about the company's affair in India, though this East India Company settled in our country in 1600. So these Britishers, they want to send reports to authorities of East India Company about the company's affair in India. This led to writing of history in India. Hence, Orientalists are the one who studies the ancient history of India and its cultural uniqueness. Next, these Orientalists are also referred as Indologists. So in simple meaning, Indology or Indologist refers to the study of India, or Indology or Indian studies is the academic study of history and culture, languages and literatures of India, and as such is a subset of Asian studies. So these Orientalists are also referred as Indologists, and Indology refers to the study of India. The study of Indology was started exclusively for foreigners. For your kind information, the father of Indology is William Jones. They had to study Indian languages, these foreigners had to study Indian languages, the scripts, literature, social and religious diversities for the better administration of India and Indians. The earlier Indologists were Europeans, but later Indians became Indologists as they came in touch with Indology in the universities. The earliest Indologists were Jesuit fathers from Portugal. They have written various books about India. Pargita, a British Orientalist, studied the ancient Indian lineage and wrote ancient Indian historical tradition. Father Hans Layden in 1732 AD wrote Sanskrit grammar in Portuguese language. Father Cordo wrote Indo-European languages. These Orientalists started Asiatic societies or Oriental Association in their capital and often discussed and debated and published research articles. They also opened Asiatic societies or Oriental Association in Bombay, Calcutta and other places to study Eastern cultures. So the Western scholars who showed interest in India are considered as Orientalists, and in the initial stages they were only Europeans called Orientalists. But later Americans, Japanese and many other scholars became Orientalists. The first conference of Oriental Asiatic Society was held in Calcutta in 1784 AD under the leadership of a linguist, Sir William Jones. So before I told that the father of Indology is Sir William Jones. So the participating Orientalists or the Orientalist included in the past they were Robert Orr, Dr. Charles Wilkins, Sir William Jones. So he is considered as the father of Indology. Dr. Henry Colebrook, Dr. Nathaniel L. Head, Dr. H.W. Wilson, Dr. Monier Williams, etc. Firstly, let's know about Robert Orme, 1728 to 1801 AD. Robert Orme is an official historian for East India Company. He worked in Madras and Calcutta. Robert Orme, that means his notable contribution were military history of Hindustan, historical fragments of Hindustan and Mohammedan conquest in India. So these were the work of Robert Orme. So these contributions were published. The contribution in the sense, the books that written by Robert Orme, that is military history of Hindustan and historical fragments of Hindustan and Mohammedan conquest in India, were published between 1764 and 1782 AD. He travelled extensively throughout India, studied the texts of Muslim authors and verified geographical, cultural and political records at the Library of Indian Office at London.